Namaskar children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am here again to introduce another grammar topic. So children, we had already learned about nouns. We learned that nouns are the names of persons, places, animals or things. We also learned about singular and plural nouns. Now there are some words that help us to describe a noun. And these describing words are called adjectives. So today we'll learn about adjectives. Adjectives are the words that help us to describe a noun. Let's take an example. Like, this box is heavy. Here, box is a noun and heavy is an adjective. So here we described the box that it is heavy. So like this we use some words to describe noun. So the words that helps to describe a noun are called adjectives. Let's learn these adjectives with the help of some pictures. Adjectives are the words that describe a noun. They are also called describing words. We had already learned about nouns. Nouns are names of persons, places, animals and things. We use some words to describe them, and these words are called describing words or adjectives. Let's see an example. This is a beautiful rose. Here, rose is a noun and beautiful is describing this rose. It is an adjective. Words that describe the quality of a person, animal, place or thing are called adjectives. So these words describe a person, animal, place and thing. Let's take an example. Here in the picture we have a bag. So if I say this is a heavy bag. So here I am describing this bag that it is heavy. So heavy is an adjective and bag is a noun. Just like that, if I take an example, Bilbo is a brave dog. So here I am describing the dog Bilbo as brave. So brave is an adjective and Bilbo is a noun. So some words describe the quality of a person, animal, place or thing, and these words are called adjectives. Let's see some examples. Smart boy. Here smart is an adjective and boy is a noun. Sometimes we describe the color of nouns. Green parrot. Big hall. Here big is an adjective and hall is a noun. Sometimes we also describe the shape of things like round ball. So round is an adjective and ball is a noun. An adjective also describes how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smells or sounds like. So these words also describes the taste, how the things feels and smells and sometimes the sounds also. Let's see some examples. Beautiful girl. Here we are describing the looks of this girl, that she is beautiful. So beautiful is an adjective here. Soft pillow. Here we are describing the touch of this pillow. Some things are hard to touch, some are soft to touch. So soft is an adjective here. Salty chips. Sometimes we also describe the taste of different things. So salty chips. Salty is an adjective here. We also describe the fragrance of something, that is smells of some things. Here fresh fragrance. So Fresh is an adjective. Loud music. We also describe the sound of some things. So, loud is an adjective here. Tall man. We also describe the people. Now here we have tall man. We can describe man, tall man, short man, thin man, fat man. So, tall is an adjective here. Brown dog. Here we are describing the color of this dog. So, brown is an adjective and dog is a noun. So, we describe the colors also. The grass is green. Here again we are describing the color of this grass. So, grass is a noun and green is an adjective. The sea is blue. So, here blue is an adjective. So, there are certain words that help us to describe a noun, and these words describe the taste, the smell, the color and so many other things. So, adjectives are the describing words and these words help us to describe a noun. Children, I hope you must have understood this topic. Keep learning, keep practicing.